Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. I'll be starting this series off with my favorite knot, the berry knot. It is an intermediate knot, so if you can't quite get the hang of it, do not worry. I'll be posting much more beginner-friendly knots over the next few days. Start by tying 6 alternating half square knots. Make sure you leave a bit of room at the top because we will be pulling the rope through that section to make the berry knot. To pull the rope through, I like to use a crochet hook. When working with rope 2 to 5 millimeters in size, I would use a 9 millimeter crochet hook. You'll be taking the 2 middle pieces of string and putting them through the center of the 4 pieces of string at the top. This is how you create the berry. To secure the knot in place, tie 2 half square knots. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.